Hey, I'm Akash, and I would like to welcome you to the demo and pitch of our project Colorway that I've made with my teammate Shruti. This is a project which serves as an aid for the colorblind people, and we have made this for the hackathon Responsible AI that was organized by Microsoft. So let's talk about color blindness in detail. Basically, it is an inability where a person can't perceive colors like a normal human do. They perceive colors differently and see them in a different way as compared to a normal human. This happens to a lot of people, around 7 to 8% of the total population, and this makes it really important to make the world more accessible for them and let them uh, perceive things in the right way. Because there are so many case studies where people who are colorblind face many problems. We'll discuss some of them just now. Let's talk about some case studies. So there was this one case study by a person who was unable to shop properly for clothes because they were unable to perceive colors in the right way. Although the colors were written on some of the clothes, but the colors were like asphalt or the wordings were very tough to actually get the info of what color it exactly is, and the colors definitely look different. So it is really a task to shop for the right color, the color you like. This was the case study number one. Let's talk about another case study where people find it really difficult for to differentiate between uncooked and cooked food because the color of both uncooked and cooked food is very different, but for them it is really difficult to differentiate between the two. And it also happens when they have to buy fruits because they are unable to differentiate between raw and ripe fruit. Although they can differentiate it on the basis of the darkness in a way, but that is really hectic in day-to-day life. So these are few case studies that prove that something must be made for people who are colorblind so that they can live an equally legible and an equally respectable life. Let's look at the demo now. So this is the interface and these are few links for resource point of view. All you have to do is choose an image from your device. I'll be choosing this image because it has many colors, and then all you have to do is just hit the submit button. Then it sends the image to the server, and the server calculates and tells you what colors are present over in the image. Let's see. So these are the colors that are present in the image, and you can see that the naming is really simple. So you can easily imagine what color it exactly is. So yeah, this is how it works, and we think that it is really useful. It is going to be really useful for colorblind people to identify colors of many things like clothes, like food items, and like many more things. So the tech stack that we have used in a project is it includes Flask for the web development. It includes Azure. We have used Azure for machine learning part and for deploying our application. We have used Python, of course, for carrying out for making the functions and for Flask itself. And we have used HTML, CSS for the UI part. Thank you so much for looking at our project, and we hope that you liked it. Thank you so much.